Hello, I am a marine reptile who first appeared on our planet millions of years ago. Who am I? I am a sea turtle. Do you know there are 7 different types of sea turtles found across the world and around 5 different species in India? We can live in coral reefs, seagrass meadows, open seas, and sandy beaches. Do not confuse me with my cousin, the tortoise. They live on land while I live in water. But I cannot breathe inside water as I breathe with my lungs. Just like dolphins, I also need to come up to the surface to take a breath. Unlike my land siblings, I cannot retract my flippers and head into my shell. I often cry, not because I'm sad, but to remove the extra salt from my body through the large tear glands in my eyes. All my different sibling species eat different types of food. Let me tell you about my 5 siblings who are found in India. This is the leatherback. They have a leathery shell stretched over thousands of tiny bones. They travel long distances and can dive deep into the water. They are also the largest to have ever lived on Earth. Then there are green sea turtles. They are large in size and can weigh almost 160 kilograms. They have a heart-shaped shell on their back, which can have varying shades of colors that range from black, grey, green, brown, and yellow. Here is my other sibling called hawksbill. It gets its name because of its unique beak-like mouth, which resembles that of a hawk. Their shell has such a beautiful pattern, but unfortunately, many people hunt hawksbill turtles to make handicrafts out of the shells. This is loggerhead. He gets his name from his huge head. They eat crabs, clams, mussels that they can crush between their very powerful jaws. The smallest is the olive ridley turtle. They are famous for a mass-scale nesting phenomenon called aribada, where thousands of female olive ridley gather on the shores of India to lay millions of eggs. Humans find this very fascinating and come to the beaches in Odisha every year to watch aribada. Let me tell you some fascinating facts about us. A female always returns to the beach where she was born to lay her eggs. She can lay up to 200 eggs in a single night and return to the sea. The environment around the developing egg determines whether the egg will hatch into a male or a female turtle. If the sand in which the eggs are buried and the surrounding environment becomes too hot, all the eggs will hatch into female turtles. If it becomes too cold, then all the eggs will hatch as male turtles. So our mothers actually select an area where half the eggs will hatch as male and the other half as female. Aren't our mothers smart? However, all our species are endangered today. Usually, 1 in 1,000 eggs that hatch have a chance of surviving to adulthood today because of human activities that make our survival very difficult. Please don't disturb us when we are nesting or when our little babies are returning to their ocean home. We are affected by ghost fishing nets, plastic pollution, coastal development, and shipping activity. To save us, you have to raise awareness about us. Protect our beaches and oceans by reducing plastic.